Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we showcase stunning glass table designs that will elevate your interior decor to new heights. In this video, we present a compilation of the best glass table designs available in the market today. Whether you are looking for a sleek and modern dining table or a unique coffee table to become the centerpiece of your living room, we have got you covered. Our expert team has carefully curated a diverse range of glass table designs, each offering its own distinctive style and functionality. From minimalist and contemporary designs to intricate and artistic creations, you will find inspiration to suit every taste and preference. In this video, we will take you on a visual journey through a variety of glass table designs, highlighting their acoustic, craftsmanship, innovative features, and the way they seamlessly blend with different interior styles. We will explore tables with tempered glass tops, beautifully crafted bases, and fascinating combinations of glass with other materials like wood, metal, or acrylic. Whether you are looking to create a sophisticated dining area, a stylish workspace, or an elegant focal point for your living space, a selection of your table designs offers endless possibilities. These tables not only provide functionality but also add a touch of elegance and contemporary flair to any room. Join us as we delve into the details of these remarkable glass table designs, discussing their unique features, materials used, and the designers' inspirations behind each piece. We'll also provide tips on how to maintain and care for your glass table to ensure its longevity and beauty. If you are ready to transform your living space with breathing glass table design, hit the play button and let us guide you through this visually captivating and informative video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest trends in interior design and discover more inspiring content. I hope this video of glass table designs would be very helpful for you for your home decoration because it increases the beauty to your home, your rooms, and your furniture style.